Questioning President Donald Trump has announced the cancellation of a planned military strike on Iran, saying the decision is conditional on Tehran's willingness to quickly finalize a deal. In a post on Truth Social, Trump said Iran and several Middle Eastern countries had urged Washington to hold off on military action as the broad parameters of an agreement had been reached. Deal hinges on Hormuz nuclear commitments. According to Trump, the proposed deal includes the immediate and complete reopening of the Strait of Hormuz and an end to Iran's nuclear threat. He also said Israel had joined the United States in supporting the diplomatic path. Despite suspending the planned attack, Trump warned that the US remains locked and loaded with military capabilities unmatched since World War II, stressing that the pause depends entirely on Iran's cooperation. Iran warns against fresh strikes. Hours before Trump's announcement, Iran warned the US against any adventurous action, saying it would respond decisively to any new attacks on its territory. Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi also discussed regional security concerns with Pakistani and Turkish officials, warning of the risks of further escalation. Meanwhile, the Washington Post reported that the head of US-European Command, General Alexis Grinkevich, warned the Pentagon that American missile defense resources are under growing strain due to continued operations in the region. While Trump's announcement offers a temporary reprieve from escalating tensions, there has been no official confirmation from Iran accepting the proposed deal, leaving the future of the agreement uncertain.